ostriches. You want to eat? You want to eat? Oh, they're not hungry. Oh, here comes somebody. Oh, that doggy scare you? It's a dinosaur. Oh, there's some kind of four-legged animal just ran by. Oh, there's another kind of little. There's all sorts of weird things out here. It's the first place I pulled off to find coffee, so I was actually just looking for Starbucks, and I did find Starbucks, and then I was looking for a restaurant, and then I saw a bunch of ostriches, and I thought, well, I've never been to an ostrich farm before. Hi. Oh my God, you're just so weird. Hi. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You got a, holy crap. I'm holding on to it. Okay, I think you got it all. I think you got it all. Here. You weirdos. Sorry, take it out of my hand. Sorry, you're too late. That's weird. Some of them have a red beak. Wow. I want to pet one, but I'm afraid it'll take my hand off. What weird, wow. What weird animals you are. Wow. Weirdo necks. Wow. Well, now they have signs over here after I've already tried to pet them. There's really me. I want to show. They're the only bird with two toes. Isn't that weird? Oh, they're huge. They look like dinosaurs. Look at those scaly feet. Wow. Looks like I can zoom in. Look at that. Wow, what a weird animal. Oh, hi. Thinking about biting me? Ugh. I have no protection. I get bit on the head. Now these emus, yeah, I mean you can see they're clearly related. Well, look at their ear holes. Here, I don't want you to hit your head. Oh, you want some too? Oh, that pretty blue. That pretty blue on you. Whoa. But yeah, these have 3 toes. Like velociraptors. Well, that's about it, guys. Current day velociraptors. Very cool. Wow, that blue is really super cool. It's got blue skin. Yeah, and then their ear holes are blue. Maybe I can. Big ear holes. Hi. Hi. Ooh. You're gonna get me. Ah. Oh my gosh. Alright, preachy moment for a second, but if you just get in your vehicle and start driving, you're always gonna find something. And it's, you know, sometimes it's kind of normal and sometimes it's very not normal. Okay, bye guys. Okay, this is an emu egg, and it's about a month old.
No. I went to drink
and then this is an ostrich egg. Oh my gosh. And it's about a week old.
I feel so bad.
Ugh. So you're not going to try to hatch them out, obviously, and you're not going to eat them. What'd you pull them for? Are they like normal size, or are they bigger? Or
we sell them to eat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then we sell shells too.
How much is a dozen ostrich eggs?
Well, one is 18 to 24 chicken eggs.
Right, so you wouldn't want to buy a dozen. Wow. That'd be super cool. My mom and dad have chickens, and so they collect about 100 eggs a day.
A day?
Yeah.
How many chickens do you have?
I don't know, 100, 110 maybe, I don't know. But this would be way less work.
No,
well, you'd have to have way less birds.
It's one every 4 to 6 days.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so just like
do you mind if I put you on video?
These guys have like seasons, so the ostriches like to lay during the hotter weather, so like spring through summer typically. That's why these are these are a little bit more expensive right now, so we're selling these for like $60, I believe.
60?
But usually they're 45.
35?
45.
45, but right now 60. Wow.
And then the emu like to lay during colder weather, so
they offset each other.
Yeah, it's kind of strange.
That is strange, because
so
you'd think they'd be related, but they don't. The eggs don't look
them.
at all related.
Yeah, so right now the emus are actually laying. So we have a bunch of emu eggs. We're going out there, and yeah, like you said, we only have about 50 emu and about 80 ostrich. So we go out there and we find like 13 eggs every day.
Do they lay in a particular spot? Do they roost?
Yeah, they have like little nests, and the ostriches, they have nests in the corner of the property, and if they mate and the egg's fertile, then they'll go and plop the egg right in the nest and sit on it.
Oh, and if it's not fertile, then they just don't care.
Exactly, they'll just plop it down wherever. The emus actually like to hide theirs.
Oh.
They'll put sticks and stuff on top of them.
Oh, because they're trying to protect them from you guys. They know you're thieves.
Exactly.
This is the coolest, most unexpected stop. I had no idea this was here. Wow, those are gorgeous. Thanks for all the info. Okay, leaving the ostrich farm and heading into Solvang. And Solvang is an interesting little town. I was here once, about 24 years ago, before I had my daughter. I was here with her dad when we were dating. And so I wanted to maybe get some video as we pull in, because it's an interesting looking little town. It's very unique. And what makes it unique is it has a large Danish population. And they have created the theme of this town in their old Danish. Oh, look at this. I don't know. I lost the word. But we're going to see a lot of architecture like this as we head into Solvang. Solvang city limits. And I'm still looking for breakfast. And I think it's about 1 o'clock. Starving. So chances are I'm going to end up having some sort of Danish breakfast. Maybe I'm supposed to pull off pretty soon, so before I miss the town. I don't know. Oh, no, it doesn't look like I'm going to miss the town. American towns. There's another windmill. I need a facial so bad. I wonder. Oh no, everything's gonna be super expensive here. Solvang Inn and Cottages, Pancake House. That sounds good. Bakery. How about I just find a place to park? These look like parking spaces. Say, kids. Breakfast at a brewing company. Oh, baby. Ooh, the Viking room. Too bad it's not nighttime. That'd probably be fun.
I don't know why. So she never wanted to eat it before, but now
I haven't ate pancakes in years, but they're special Danish pancakes, so I gotta try them. You know, when in Rome.